Now, before you buy the Samsung Galaxy Ring, it's important to know what size your finger is or what ring size you wear on your finger comfortably. And for that reason, we have this Samsung Galaxy Ring sizing kit. Now, of course, you don't have to use the Samsung sizing kit. You can pick up any from any other company. In fact, I've already done a video from another company called Ultra Human. I'll link that down below. But this one is the Galaxy Ring sizing kit. You can pick this up for about 10 bucks on Amazon and test your ring size before you buy the Galaxy Ring. Okay, so this is what this looks like. That's what the Galaxy Ring sizing kit box looks like. So let's go ahead and unbox it and see what it looks like. So the unboxing experience is just like any other Samsung product. So that's what that looks like. And you have different rings and they have numbers. Okay, so all you have to do is pick a few of them that are close to your ring size and test. Okay, so that's too small. This is what size? Let's see. This is size 2, which is a bit too small for me. No, this is size 6, beg your pardon. That's size 6, too small. Let me try size 8, too small. Is it 6 or 9? This is size 9. Okay, so this is actually size 9. So 7, 8, 9, 10. Just gonna try 10 now. Still a little small. Let me see 11. This is snug enough not to fall off my finger. So I think my ring size is size 11. Okay, and you want to wear it with this part because this looks exactly like the Galaxy Ring is gonna look like. So this is the best. It's better to use the Samsung sizing kit if you're gonna buy the Samsung Galaxy Ring. So the sensors at the bottom, put on your ring like that. If you want to wear yours on the index finger, then you test it on the index finger, and mine fits. It's a very snug fit. So now when I'm ordering my Galaxy Ring, I'll make sure to order size 11. Okay, so that's what you need to do. And that's how to use the Samsung Galaxy Ring sizing kit. Thank you for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.